Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video we're going to see how exactly we can begin a HVAC project. Well, exactly like always, first click on new project, then we need to open up a template. So browse. By the way guys, our discipline is a mechanical one, so we need a mechanical template as well. And I'm going to go with system default metric, which is a general mechanical template. Yes, I'm just going to select this and hit open. Alright, so everyone, this will be our workspace basically. Here in the project browser, we can see the disciplines and sub-disciplines. As you can see, we have segments related to lighting, mechanical, and the rest. I don't really need the lightings for now, so I'm just going to close them. Then, let's enter one of these views, north, for example. Now, one more time, guys, the project that we want to start is HVAC. So, for doing that, we need to be linking both the architectural model and the structural model in our template. How can we do that? Well, surely you already know. From the Insert tab, click on Link Revit. Then in this tab, select the required file and click on Open. Now, one more time, guys, remember, before doing this, before linking the files, it is better to enter one of these views first, right? Anyway, guys, as you can see, we got a couple of default levels. Default levels that we can actually remove. By the way, guys, this is why I said we need to enter the views first. Because if we remove the levels without entering the views, well, simply the views won't exist anymore. Alright, in the next step, we need to be specifying some base levels, and for that, we can use the architectural levels. So, in order to be more precise, basically, up here from the Collaborate tab, I'm going to use Copy Monitor, guys. You know what? I guess we can even create a mechanical level as well. So, from the Insert tab again, then Load Family, from the Annotations folder, and then give me Metric Level Hat Triangle. Alright, now select Level, then open up Type Properties, give me a duplicate, so it'll be an MEP level. Okay. Alright, now let's give this a color. And as for the symbol, select the one that we just selected and load it. Okay, good, great. Now, back to our thing with the architectural levels. I'm just gonna select one. What's the name? The type. This is an arc level. Okay. So, now we can enter the Collaborate tab. Then from Copy Monitor, select Link. Now, when we click on the linked file, up here, Copy Monitoring items would be activated. Now, I'm gonna open up Options. Right, now in this tab, we need to be selecting a level for converting. I'm going to go with arc level and convert it into the MEP level that we just created. All right, let's see what we got down here. Add prefix to level name. Here, give me like MEP dash. Yeah, this will do. Okay, and up here, click on copy. Select multiple. And next up, guys, we basically need to start clicking or selecting all of the architectural levels that we got here, because they would be used, as I said, as the base for our mechanical processes. All right, is it done? No, we got another one up here. Good. After selecting the levels, we need to hit finish so that all of our base levels would be created. And then we need to hit finish here as well. Yeah, now we can claim that we got all of our base mechanical levels. And what is good about this is that we actually added all of them simultaneously at once, instead of creating them or, adding them separately and one by one. Now, one important point though, guys, whenever you use basically any kind of copying method for adding the levels, they won't be added into the project browser. They would be just set within your viewports as reference levels. And regarding the viewport, guys, it's a bit crowded, so let's change that. Opening VG from Revit links by host, select custom here as well, and now we can turn off the levels. Now let's check the viewport again. See, this is way better. Anyway, as I said, these are reference levels. Let's try adding them into the project browser. So from the View tab, then Create. Now open up Plan Views, then select Floor Plans. As you can see, we got all the levels here. First, I'm going to click on Edit Type. Then I'll be using a duplicate for creating a category called HVAC. Okay, great. Now from View Template, click on Mechanical. Now this is already set on HVAC just to make sure that I'll be using another duplicate and try to specify the settings again myself. This will be more precise this way. So, detail level on fine, scale on 100th. Then, as for the discipline, mechanical, subdiscipline, HVAC. Now, one more time from RVT link, custom again, and here select level. Also, guys, from model, again select custom, then here for walls, set their detail level on coarse. Because our project is basically a mechanical one, and we don't really need to see the layers. The total thickness will do. And this way, guys, also, our model would be more enhanced, both performance-wise and volume-wise. And we can actually do the same for the floors. And basically, guys, this goes for any other structural or architectural elements that you don't really need to be displayed with their details. All right, apply an OK and go all the way back to here. Now up here, set the type on HVAC. OK again, select all the levels, and OK. As you can see, all of them are added in the project browser. Now when we enter the levels, as you can see, for example, we can't really see the details, the finishing layers within the walls anymore. And yeah, basically this is what I meant by saying that we need to enhance our model. Now guys, we used a detail level here, right? So as a result, we would be able to control the view range here based on what exactly we need. See, for example, from here, guys. I'm not going to do that, though, for now. This will do. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. All right, next up, we need ceilings, guys. We don't got any, though. So, up here, again, from the View tab, Create, Plan View, and this time, I need to go with Reflected Ceiling Plan. All right, we would enter this tab. Again, open up Edit Type. Give me another duplicate. This time, let's call this HVAC Ceiling Plan. Now, one more time. From View Template, select Mechanical Ceiling. Another duplicate. HVAC Ceiling. Okay. All right, so basically, again, we need to go through some settings here, and all of them are good. From visibility and graphics, though, select custom, annotate on custom as well. Basically, we can turn off the items that we don't want. We can do the same for models. Here we need to set the walls on, the detail level for walls on course. Or, any other elements. We talked about this. All right, apply an OK. Everything seems fine. Back here, select the levels. And hit OK again. And basically, now we got the ceiling levels in our project browser as well. So we can easily check them out. All right, guys. Next up, I'm going to enter the 3D view. Then open up visibility and graphics one more time. And again, from Revit links, I'm going to set this up. Select custom here. model and custom again, as well. And I'm going to turn off both topography and topo solid. And this way, as you can see, we'll get this clean, general, and complete model that we can work with. And by that, guys, this file is basically ready for starting the MEP-related processes. And guys, by the way, what I actually recommend for really starting the project would be setting and placing the required equipments first. Talking about like equipments like like diffusers or basically any other mechanical equipment. Well, anything that you actually need for your project. And then after adding the equipments, you can, from the system tab, you can select, for example, duct and start adding them to your model. Now, guys, when you set the equipments before adding the ducts, some sort of a general planning would be created for us. And this way, if there was any clashes with the other, disciplines, you can actually do some clash detections and get rid of them. This way, not only you would be able to work faster, but also you would increase the preciseness in your work. In other words, you're somehow getting rid of the ambiguities and problems in the very first step.